Hey guys, this is Ray, XX Element. We're going to be installing my new roof rack. Here it goes. Now we gotta bolt it down. Let me take you up there. Alright guys, I'm installing the bolts now. There's 3 at each OEM foot. Here's 1, 2, and then let me get the third one on there. This third one might be a little tricky, but I got it. Not that bad. There we go. I believe these are torque bits. 5 M6, I believe, but I'll get you. I'll put the put it up on the screen for you. I'm gonna cinch them down a little bit. I'm not gonna put them in tight because let me see. I'll get that back one later. I gotta move this crossbar here. So let me go all the way around and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, we've got all 12 bolts plugged in, or not plugged in, but screwed in. I'm going to cinch them down, but see this crossbar? I had to remove one bolt from the side to flip it vertical instead of being horizontal. So I'm going to go and cinch all these down, and then we should be good with the rack. That's it. There you go. Now see, once that's all done, now you can start moving this. Sorry, wrong way. Moving the other pipe back vertical, and you can sit back down. And you're all good to go.